every single sales manager wants their team to be happy, motivated, and successful. But there's a problem. Despite the world of technology that we live in, whiteboards and spreadsheets reign supreme as the tools that we use to manage and motivate our reps. They don't provide the real-time data that salespeople require to act independently, and they become an operational nightmare as a team begins to grow. Here at OneUp Sales, we've developed a sales motivation platform that helps sales leaders to manage and motivate their teams through automated leaderboards, real-time deal celebrations, and personalized dashboards for reps. By integrating with key CRMs, we serve as a single source of truth for our 33 clients who have seen headline metrics increase by as much as 93%. Now, we want to take our business to the next level so we can continue to help them to do the same. We're raising £500,000 to build a sales team of our own and to move our product closer towards becoming the HubSpot of sales team management. My name's Derry, the CEO and co-founder of OneUp Sales, and I look forward to meeting you at SaaStock 2018.